This technology combines friction stirring with additive manufacturing applications to produce multi-layer structures and large-scale components. MIRDC has developed a 4D printed of solid-state process. Through high-performance and high-quality additive manufacturing, heterostructure maintains the property of raw material significantly. MIRDC has collaborated with numerous manufacturers and used heterozygosity in the production of curved reflectors for 5G, 6G, CATR, and fuel tanks for orbiting satellites, achieving the advantages of high strength, high precision, and high density. This innovative application technology enhances the usage of metal materials, reduces the waste of processing material by 40%, and lowers the cost of processing equipment by 90%, while satisfying the needs for 3D curved surface and heterogeneous metal products.